Did you know that embracing your creativity can bring more mindfulness and joy into your life? My name is Tamila, and I can't wait to share what the experts have to say about creativity with you. Right here, right now. Creative expression isn't just for artists. It's an awesome way to connect with your feelings and discover more about yourself. The core idea is this: when words fail, art speaks. According to expressive arts therapist Cathy Malchiodi, creative expression like painting, dancing, and journaling skips right over the logical brain and goes straight to the emotional core. Expressive art experiences tap into your emotions, letting you release feelings and trauma that are often hard to express. This unfiltered expression allows your inner world to finally have a voice. This leads us to the wisdom of Julia Cameron, the author of The Artist's Way. She teaches that unfiltered creativity restores our connection to ourselves. Her work is all about the practice of showing up for your creative self without judgment. It's about letting go of perfectionism and simply allowing energy to flow through you, which can heal the parts of us that have felt stifled or silenced. Sometimes words just can't quite capture our feelings. When emotions run deep, finding the right words can be a real challenge, you know? Trust me, I totally get it. That's where creativity steps in, whispering to our soul that there's another way. A way to bridge the gap between our heart and mind. Now, let's dive into the profound connection between creativity and emotional wholeness. When we think of creativity, we often picture artists with paintbrushes or musicians with their instruments. But creativity is more than that. It's a language spoken by every one of us. Whether we consider ourselves creative or not, we all have an innate creative spark within. So how does creativity help us heal and become whole? Let's look at 2 simple ways to unlock creativity's healing magic. Try spending just 10 minutes each day on art journaling. Create freely, no judgments. Don't think about whether your art is good or bad, realistic or abstract. Just let your creativity flow onto the page. Notice what colors, shapes, or patterns emerge. What stories do they tell? It's not just about what you create. It's all about the fun of making it and the feelings you express along the way. You don't need to be an artist to do this. All you need is a notebook and something to make a mark with, like a pen, pencil, or crayon. Just let your intuition guide you. Remember, you're not creating a masterpiece. You're creating a connection with yourself. Allow yourself to explore your inner world without censorship or judgment. Who knows what treasures you might discover? The second practice is called the morning pages, a technique also popularized by Julia Cameron in her book, The Artist's Way, that we mentioned earlier. Start your day by writing 3 longhand pages of whatever is on your mind. Don't edit yourself. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. Just let your thoughts flow onto the page. Stream of consciousness writing can help clear the clutter from your mind, allowing for a more focused and intentional day. It can also help you process any anxieties or worries you may be feeling, allowing you to approach your day with a clearer mind. Plus, it's a great way to tap into your creativity and see what insights or ideas come to the surface. As you begin this work, I invite you to repeat this powerful affirmation. I give my inner world a voice. Creation is my freedom. By embracing these practices, you open yourself up to the transformative power of creativity. You allow your emotions to be expressed, your trauma to be released, and your spirit to soar. It's important to remember that creativity isn't just about making art. It's about making sense of our emotions, our experiences, and ultimately, ourselves. It's a journey of self-discovery and healing. It's a celebration of life. As a hypnotherapist and intuitive coach, I have the privilege of witnessing the incredible healing power of creativity every day. In my practice, we often incorporate creative exercises to help clients process their emotions and experiences in a safe and supportive environment. It's amazing to see how these practices can help break through barriers and allow for deeper healing and transformation. So I encourage you to try out these techniques and see how they can benefit you. Who knows? You may just surprise yourself with what you create and what you discover. I would love to hear about your experiences with these practices. Share your thoughts, insights, and any creative activities that have helped you on your healing journey. Together, we can continue to explore the vast potential of creativity and its power to transform our lives. If you are ready to take the next step on your healing journey, I invite you to visit my website called guideselfwisdom.com. It's where you can find more videos, information about my work, and schedule a session with me. We can work together in person or through a live video session from anywhere in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay light, my friends.